Okay, this is an over voltage and under voltage protection system, as well as over current protection system. Now I'm turning on the system. If you can see, the name of the person on the machine number is displayed: 2.4 kilovolts AC watt meter auto power switch. So the system is initializing. So once it's done initializing, we can then it's ready for use. So it's done. It's ready for use. Now it's stating the voltage is 224.70 volts and the current is 0.08 amp. Now we need to set the threshold for over voltage and under voltage, as well as over currents. Now we hit on the menu button, which is the green button here. Once I hit on it, menu is displayed, takes me to menu, then set minimum voltage. So minimum voltage here is 210. Okay, let me reduce minimum voltage to 200. So this is my decrement. 200. So I have minimum voltage set. The next thing is asking me to set my maximum voltage. So I'm fine. My maximum voltage is 230 volts. It's fine. My maximum current, let me leave it at 1 amps. What it simply means is, if our input is lower than 200, it only reports what? Low voltage. Let's take for instance, our input voltage is 224 volts. 224 volts. Now, let the system report over voltage. Let's report over voltage. So since our minimum voltage, our input voltage is 224 volts, and our minimum voltage is what? 200 volts. So you can see over what? Voltage. Why? Because our input voltage is higher than our what? Our maximum what? Our minimum what? Set voltage. So let's allow the system to report over voltage. For it to report over voltage, let's go to the menu option. Now, so let's set our threshold to be above our minimum voltage. Let's set our threshold minimum voltage. Let's lower it to like 100 volts. 100 volts. So we are taking to 100 volts. It's 100 volts. So let's set the maximum voltage to be what? Higher than. Let's set the maximum voltage to be low, so that our input voltage will be higher than it, for it to report what? Over voltage. So our maximum voltage should be higher, should be lower. Let's set it to 200. 200 is fine. Maximum voltage set. Maximum current set. $223 is the voltage it's measuring, and we set the threshold, a maximum voltage threshold, to be what? 200. So it's reporting what? Over voltage. It's reporting over voltage. Now let us allow the system to report under voltage, meaning that our minimum set voltage should be higher than our input voltage. So our input voltage is 224. So our minimum voltage should be above 224. Let's set it to be 230 volts. Our minimum was set voltage. Let's go to the menu option. Minimum voltage 100. So let us set it to what? To 30 volts. It's incrementing. It's still incrementing. Still incrementing. Still incrementing. 230. So let's set our maximum to be 300. Or maybe 250. Let's not go too far. 250. So let's leave our current to be 1 amps. You can see what is reporting on the voltage. Why is that? It's because our minimum set voltage is higher than the what? Input voltage. So it is under voltage.
Like what is it normal?
So if it's normal, it means that our minimum voltage, let's set it menu. Our minimum voltage should be 200. Let's set it to 200. So let us decrement to 200. Let's leave the maximum voltage to 230. So current 1 amp. It's normal, so you can see an output. When it was over voltage, there was no output. Under voltage, no output. Now that is normal, it says a supply. The socket here is an LED. So that's how the system works. So let's turn off the system.